I'm Malaya here at IT Supplies, and today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check using your Epson Surecolor S-406080 Standard Edition. Using our control panel, we're going to click Menu, click down to Maintenance, and hit OK. And then we're going to do a nozzle check, and OK. And we're going to print it on the right side. OK. As you can see, in our first head, we have perfect lines going straight across. But if you look inside of our second head in C2, we do have a break in the pattern. So, to see how to clean the print head, please visit our next video entitled How to Clean the Print Heads on your Surecolor S-Series. Thanks so much for watching this. If you would like to see more of these videos, please go to our YouTube channel.